Hi, I'm Dennis, and I'm here to bring you another data science book recommendation. Today's book is You Are Not So Smart, and this is such a great read. I really enjoyed this book. The way I describe this book is that it sits at the intersection of data and psychology. The author does a really good job of introducing the psychological concepts to data items and approaches that you might already know. So, for example, he goes into a really in depth discussion about how you can highly influence the results of a survey or a study just depending on how you pick your sample. So, what regions you're picking, ages, how you're phrasing the questions, things along those lines affect the study and affect the results and can kind of drive them in a way that whether you don't want or in some cases do want. And the book is kind of filled with different examples like that. So really worthwhile for you to pick up. Maybe it's a little bit more for advanced data scientists or people that have been working in the field for a little bit, but really a great read and really kind of a fun read. And it's just one of those books that you kind of are intrigued from the very beginning and just kind of keep going through it. And if you'd like more data science leadership content, please click on like and follow below.